Welcome to this detailed breakdown of Sterling National Bank's terms of service. Let's uncover what this bank has to offer and whether it's the right fit for you. Sterling National Bank has been serving customers for decades, offering various financial services like checking and savings accounts, loans, and business banking solutions. However, its terms of service may contain information you should carefully review before signing up. Key advantages of Sterling National Bank: diverse account options. Sterling provides accounts tailored to individuals and businesses, including basic checking, savings, and high-yield accounts. Strong business services. Known for its commercial banking, Sterling offers tools for businesses, including cash management and lending options. Convenient online banking. Sterling's digital tools make banking on the go seamless. Disadvantages to consider: account fees. Monthly maintenance fees can be high, often exceeding $15, unless you meet certain criteria like minimum balances. Limited physical presence. The bank has a smaller branch footprint compared to larger national competitors, which may inconvenience some customers. Customer service ratings. While many customers are satisfied, some report issues with support response times. Service overview. Sterling National Bank offers a competitive set of features for business owners, such as loan options, from small business loans to commercial real estate financing, cash management solutions, tools to help businesses manage payroll, expenses, and cash flow. For personal banking, the bank includes savings accounts. Some accounts offer above-average interest rates but require high balances, often over $10,000, to waive fees. Checking accounts. Standard accounts with low minimum deposit requirements, though fees apply if certain conditions aren't met. Fee transparency. While the bank discloses fees, make sure to read through the terms to avoid surprises like overdraft charges, which can be as high as $35 per transaction. If you're someone who values robust online tools and tailored business services, Sterling National Bank might meet your needs. However, be prepared to navigate fees and check if their locations align with your preferences. Hit that subscribe button and like this video for more honest reviews of banks and financial services.